Good morning. Chapter State Lines, exercise 10.2, question number 5. The question is intersecting the x-axis at a distance of 3 units to the left of origin with slope minus 2. So left of origin, that means on the x-axis length is minus 3. Left of origin, so minus 3, that means coordinate of that point is minus 3 comma 0 on the x-axis and slope is minus 2. So here x1 y1 point, x1 y1 on the x-axis point is minus 3 comma 0 on the x-axis point and m equal to slope equal to minus 2. Okay, therefore equation of the line is equation of the line is y minus
So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1.
x minus x1. Okay, so y minus y1 means 0 and m is minus 2, x and x1 is minus 3, minus minus plus 3. So y equal to minus 2x minus 6. So that is 2x plus y plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, this is the required equation of the line. 2x plus y plus 6 equal to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 6. Intersecting the y-axis at a distance of 2 units above the origin and making an angle of 30 degree with positive direction of the x-axis. Okay, find the equation of the
So here x1 and y1 will be equal to 0, 2 and sir slope will be tan 30.
Yes, find the equation of the line. Okay, so intersecting the y-axis at a distance of 2 units above the origin. That means here
So it will be plus 2.
c equal to plus 2 above the origin.
Yes, sir.
On the y-axis, and m equal to slope tan 30.
So tan 30.
Okay, and tan 30 is 1 by root 3.
Sir, 1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. Now, equation of the line is, therefore, equation of the required line is, what is the equation form?
Sir, x minus x. Sir,
y
y.
equal to mx plus c, because c is given.
Yes, sir. Sir, how c is 2?
C is 2 on the, C means on the y-axis length. On the y-axis length C, intercept, y-intercept C.
And sir, if we will find like this solution by the slope form, sir, like the formula which is y minus y1 is equal to m
Then
into x minus x1.
Then you have to take the point, not only 2.
Okay, sir.
So point is 0, 2, no? On the y-axis point.
Yes, sir.
Same answer will
So,
come.
sir, by that also same answer will come.
Same answer will come.
Okay, sir.
So 1 by root 3 x plus 2. Okay? Then plus multiply both sides by root 3, that is root 3y equal to x plus 2 root 3. So this means x minus root 3y plus 2 root 3 equal to 0. Okay? This is the answer. Required equation of the line. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Next question number 7. Passing through the point minus 1 comma 1 and 2 comma minus 4. Okay? So here x1 y1 equal to minus 1 comma 1, 2.4.
Yes, sir.
And x2 y2,
It is equal to minus 2 comma 4.
2 comma minus 4. 2 comma minus 4. So these 2 points are given. Find the equation of the line. So I use 2.4. Therefore the equation of the line is,
Sir, y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1.
equation of the line is y minus y1 by x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay? Then y minus y1 means 1 and x minus x1 means minus 1, minus minus plus 1 equal to y2 means minus 4 and y1 is 1 minus 1, x2 means 2 and x1 means minus 1, so minus minus plus 1. So equal to y minus 1 by x plus 1 equal to minus 5 by 3. So cross multiply. So
3y minus 3 is equal to minus 5x minus 5.
minus 5x minus 5. Okay, so 5x plus 3y, okay, minus 3 plus 5 plus 2 equal
Sir,
to
plus 2 is equal to 0.
plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. This is the answer, equation of the line. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Number 8. Question number 8. Perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance from the origin. from the origin is 5 units. Is 5 units, and the angle made by the perpendicular with the positive x-axis. Positive x-axis is 30 degree. Okay? Question clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, the distance from the y-axis is 5 units, and sir, the slope is tan 30.
Yes. This is normal form. No.
Yes, sir.
Normal form. So here p equal to 5 units distance, perpendicular distance. P equal to 5 and alpha equal to 30 degree. Okay. So the equation of the line is, so the equation of the line is normal form. What is the normal form? X cos alpha plus y sin
Sir, y
alpha.
sin alpha is equal to p.
So x cos 30 degree plus y sin 30 equal to 5. Okay, so cos 30 value, cos 30 root 3 by
Sir, root 3 by 2.
plus sin 30
Sir, half.
half equal to 5. Okay, 2 is the LCM, cross multiply x root 3 plus y equal to 10. 5 into 2, 10. Okay, this is the answer. This is the required equation of the line. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, number 9. The vertices of PQR, triangle PQR, are P 2, 1, Q minus 2, 3, and R 4, 5. Okay, find the equation of the equation of the median through the vertex R. Okay, so draw PQR triangle. PQR P Q R. Now from R, draw one median. let this is S, this be. And what is the coordinate of R? R is 4, 5.
Sir, 4,5.
P is 2, 1. Q is minus 2, 3. Okay. And S is the, we know S is the midpoint because R is median.
Yes, sir.
So find the median coordinate of S. Therefore, coordinate of S, coordinate of S, use midpoint formula.
Sir, x1 plus x2 by 2 plus y1 plus y2 by 2.
2 minus 2 by 0, 2. And 1 plus 3 by 2. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
0 by 2, 0. 4 by 2, it is 2. So 0, 2. Coordinate of S, midpoint. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to find the equation of RS. So R is 4,5 and S is 0, 2. So 2-point form equation of the line. Okay. So the equation of the median RS is use 2-point form. Y minus y1.
Sir, y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1.
By x2 minus x1. Okay. So y minus y1 is 5 and x minus and x1 is 4. Okay. Equal to y2 is y2
Sir,
is
2.
2 minus y1 is 5
Sir, 5.
and x2 is
Sir,
0.
0.
0 minus x1 is 4.
Sir, 4.
Okay. So this equal to y minus 5 by x minus 4 equal to minus 3 by minus 4. Okay. So this equal to 3 by 4. Now cross multiply 3x.
Sir, it is 4y plus 20 is equal to 3x plus 12.
Okay. So plus 20 minus 12 plus 8 equal to 0. Okay. See, 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. This is the median, equation of the median RS. This is the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Number 10. Find the equation of the line. Equation of the line. Find the equation of the line passing through minus 3, 5 and perpendicular to the line. Perpendicular to the line through the points 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. Okay. So find the equation of the line passing through minus 3 comma 5. This is 1 point. And perpendicular to the line through the points 2 comma 5 and minus 3 comma 6. Okay. So first you take let a point is 2 comma 5 and b minus 3 comma 6 with the 2 points. Okay. Now find slope of AB. Slope of AB equal to 6 minus 5 by minus 3 minus 2. 1 by minus 5. Okay. This is slope of the line joining the point 2 comma 5 and minus 3 comma 6. Now let m be the slope. M be the slope of the required line. Slope of the required line. Okay. So these two lines are perpendicular. So m1 m2 equal to minus 1.
Yes, sir.
So m into minus 1 by 5, this is equal to minus 1. Perpendicular condition. So m equal to minus minus cancel, m equal to 5.
5.
Okay. Now you have to find the equation of the line, that is required line, whose slope is 5 and 1 point it is given minus 3 comma 5. So the required line passing through the point it is given question minus 3 comma 5. 1 point given. Okay. And having slope and having slope 5. So this is formula is
Sir, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1.
x minus x1. Okay. So y minus y1 is 5.
Sir, is equal to m1 into x minus 3.
Plus 3. x1 is minus 3. Now y minus 5 equal to 5x plus 15. So 5x minus y plus 20 equal to 0, no?
Yes, sir.
5x minus y plus 20 equal to 0. This is the answer. This is the required equation of the line.
Yes, sir.
It is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.